Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel and I'm going to unbox the October month's fab bag today. It's been pretty late. I received it today. I have it right here and today is the Shera, so I got it pretty late and I know about one product that is in here, so that's why I'm not wearing the full face makeup, which you can see. If you can guess which product I'm going to get, looking at my face maybe? No? Alright, let's check that. Well, I have uploaded a makeup tutorial a couple of days back, and if you guys haven't checked it out yet, I will link it here in the card over there so you can have a look if you're interested, that is. And moving on, let's unbox and let's see what we got in here. I got a mail about a product and I chose one which I will show you guys, and I'm going to try it out in front of you. So yeah. Alright, it's golden, so it's pretty classy looking, if that's the word I'm looking for, yeah. So I have something which looks like this. I mean, not the shape of it, but then I have one which is something like this. I got it last year maybe, which I can show you how I can close it. This is the zip. And then I have a clip in right here, so it looks like this. I have another one which is like so. So these are something similar which I have received in the past, and this one is like a clutch basically, and you can open and close likewise. And let's see what turns out to be inside the bag. My hair is wet, if that's what you are focusing on. As usual, I have the fab bag card and which talks about the in my fab bag contest, so you can use the hashtag in my fab bag and then get featured on their website or something like that. And then I have the card which lists out all the products. So this month's fab bag is called the Festive High October Fab Bag, and it has all the products that we are going to discuss about today. I have this 15% off code. It's Kaya 15 if you're interested. It talks about the Kaya brightening serum, and yeah, I think we're going to get a sample of this maybe, I'm not sure. Let's see. First thing is bubble wrapped in here. I think it's some nail paint or something. I was right, this is the Stay Quirky lip paint, and this is in the shade gold. It's very gold in color. I do not like such nail paints. I like the Maybelline Color Show ones or the Sally Hansen ones. I like the finish of those nail paints more. This is very shimmery and I do not personally like this. This is not for me. But then it will look nice if you're going out for festive. Yeah, it actually caters for festive season. That's what the purpose of this month's fab bag is. So I will use it if I want to go out on a wedding or something, or maybe a girls' night out where glittery nails are nice. I'm actually having the nail art done, but then that is kind of a different formula altogether. I can't compare it with this, but it's alright, it's decent, and I have been talking about one product for a really long time. Let's move on to the other one. Take it off and come back. Okay, as I said, I got this thing right here. I have a sample pack of this particular product. It's called Kaya Brightening Serum, and the full size is worth 1490 bucks. I mean, wow. And of course, this nail paint is worth 165 rupees. I didn't mention that before. So I don't know how I should use this. What is this for? I have the directions to apply written in this card right here. Apply 2 to 3 drops to thoroughly cleanse face and neck. It can be used before makeup. For best results, follow the Kaya Intense Clarify HD program. HD program, this sounds like a postgraduate diploma for some reason, but then maybe they're talking about some BB cream or something to throw in after using this. It works maybe like a primer or something like a highlighting serum for your face before you go on with your foundation and everything. So yeah, I will definitely give it a try. I have no comments as of now. Okay, so the next one is the Vautre lip scrub. I like the brand Vautre. I have those body butters and foot and hand gel, something like that. The mango one, I really love that. The smell is amazing. So I really hope that this one also turns out really nicely. This is the lip gel scrub. It's a full size product, which is really tiny for it to be a full size. I mean, on the camera you can see it's big, but it's really small. It's smaller than a normal concealer would be, but it's full size and it's worth 300 bucks. Let me open this. I can't open it. Well, it's really freaking difficult to open this. I will take a help of someone else and open it later because I don't want to waste time on this. Alright, so the next one is Veda Earth Cleansing Facial Oil. I have so many oils, I haven't been using them. I don't know what I'm going to do. I already have such oily skin, and as you can see I'm sweating right here because I don't want any noise in the background. That's why I'm not using anything, but I'm currently sweating so bad. So this is the Veda Earth Cleansing Facial Oil. This is a full size product and it's worth 350 rupees. How you should use it is you should take about 1 to 2 ml. Apply on the face and neck and gently massage onto your skin. Wipe with a dry tissue if required. To ensure better results, avoid washing after application. For even better results, apply twice a day. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Looks like, I really like the packaging, but for some reason it looks like a mouthwash. Okay, it actually does look at this. Or maybe a hair oil. So let me see how it smells. I can't smell anything. It has benzoin in it. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I have the Chronocare one, which has kind of strong smell to it, but I think it's going to be better. But then the packaging is smaller and has less quantity, I believe. Let's see. Alright, so the last one, which we already know that I was going to receive in my fab bag, is the liquid lipstick. This is from the brand called CAL. I don't know if that's pronounced as Cal or Cal. So this is in Perky Pink. They gave me an option to choose a list of products, and I wanted a lipstick because I already was having the setting powder and all those things. So that wasn't really attractive to me personally. So I chose the liquid lipstick in the shade Perky Pink. They have several other lipsticks, but then I did my research. I went on their website and the website was not fully developed. Maybe it's a new product, new brand that they're launching with the fab bag, so they're going to have more options and everything. So I didn't really get a lot of information out of their website, so I had to make a wild guess and choose one lipstick which I thought would be good for me. So this is full size and this is worth 450 bucks. For a liquid lipstick, it's pretty decent, I believe. As you can see in the market, we have loads of lipsticks and matte products which are worth like more than 1,000 or something. So let's see how it turns out. Let's open this. The packaging, basically it's all gold, flashy kind of packaging. It's kind of attractive. They also had lip glosses, but then I'm personally not a gloss person. It doesn't make sense to me. Well, this color looks really nice, really pretty, and the size and packaging is also pretty decent. I really like it. So I will zoom in for you guys and let's see. I will apply this right now and see how it looks on me and how I like it and how quickly it dries. So let's zoom in. I have exfoliated my lips, but then I hate the pigmentation on my lips. I hope. So let's start. It's very sheer. It reminds me of the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And also the Miss Claire one. It's definitely not matte. It's not covering the pigmentation as well. Well, I really don't know how it's supposed to be a liquid lipstick. It's not matte at all. It's not opaque. I can see my lip, the color of my lips peeking through, and it has that sticky feeling. Let me see, I'll put on one more layer and check it out. So the two coats make it look a little bit matte, but it has that sheen to it which I am not a fan of. It is still patchy right here because the coverage is not good. Like the LA Splash one was better in terms of coverage. I don't know how. I know that it's very sticky and very crusty, but then the coverage with it was at least decent. But here I don't have the crusty feeling when I touch it together, the lips. It's not sticky that much, but the coverage is not good. I don't know if it's going to stay put. Let me just do a kiss test. Okay, I don't see any transfer. That is all right. I'm sweating really badly. I'm so sorry for you. All right. It's a decent lipstick, liquid lipstick, but then I didn't like the sheen in it. I don't know how it looks for other skin tones. Let me do a swatch at the back of my hand and show you guys. It dry quickly, I must say. So it has that gloss kind of thing which is not completely matte looking, but it feels matte. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has that weird gloss like finish. So alright guys, it's not that bad of a lipstick, and for its price I think they did a decent job, and it's a new brand, it's a new website that is being developed, so I think they might be making another like a lot of new changes in the future. And all in all, I think it's alright. I would give it B minus, something like that. So yeah, let me know how your liquid lipstick turned out to be, and if at all you selected liquid lipstick or something else, and if you did something else, then how was it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please thumbs up if you like it. And also you can check out other makeup tutorials that I will link it over here if you are interested. And alright, so I'll see you guys really soon. Bye guys.